Oh man, what's going on? But the hell? What's going on? Man? What's up?
Benjamin.
What's up, man? Nice to meet you, man.
Benjamin the plumber.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
What's up, man?
Yeah, man. My toilet is messed up, and I really need. What the hell? I need that fixed. You swear? You ain't got doodle on that, dude.
No, this is a fresh pack.
Yeah.
Look, I still got the paper on.
Okay.
Yeah, point me to
It's the bathroom all the way in the back, all the way back there in the back. So, yeah.
If you back, you say?
Yep. All the way back there in the back. I'm good, man. How you?
Well, yeah, man. Hey, it's probably my 15th toilet today.
Oh man, you just deal with shit all day, huh?
So much shit going on.
Right.
So much shit going wrong.
Right, man. Hey.
Man, that's crazy.
I know how it be. So, man, how long you been doing this?
Probably like 15 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I got into it. With some crazy shit. Oh, just have to make sure. No, sometimes your mustache can move.
Yo, really? Didn't know that.
Okay. Make sure that. What the hell is that?
What's that?
Hey, what's up with that? What's that?
Look, man, look.
What the hell is that?
My stomach, man. Like, I'm sorry.
What the? You pretty nasty.
No, man.
I keep it all the way up.
Look, I had
What the hell?
we had taco night last night. And some friends came over and.
Man, that's purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, purple bell pepper in your ass. I just like to do jokes.
Yeah, man, it's all good. Yeah, bro.
Well, boys, man, just give me a couple minutes, man. I have it done.
All right.
I need prices, man. God,
sorry.
Nasty.
Hey, man, you still in there, though?
Yeah, man, just give me a couple minutes, man.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, what's going on, man? I got...
Hey, man. What's going on, bro? You alright?
Just trying to get it fixed, man. Goddamn.
Yeah, you got it?
Get nobody no promises.
Yeah, I mean, you got that stuff everywhere in here. You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Hey, man, I'm having a little difficulties a little bit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, but I can get this done.
Uh-huh.
I told you I've been doing this 15 years.
Right. Yeah.
Man, yeah.
You look like you're struggling, bro.
Yeah, man,
you ready to call somebody?
No,
need you some help?
I don't want nobody to shit on paper with me. But,
okay.
Yeah, man, goddamn. All right, yeah. This type of stuff, man, when you do it like this.
Yeah.
It's wild, bro. Why don't you do that?
I'm sorry. I told you I had tacos last night.
Man, we leave him alone.
We was drinking also.
Yeah,
so.
It's getting hot, man. Turn that shit. Better get comfortable.
I'm sorry, man. What you got, Drew?
Man, I'm doing on my pants. All right, man. Just give me
your hat say drip, bro.
Man, hold on, man. I think
What's going on? You alright? Yeah.
Didn't realize. Well, I think I already had it finished, man.
Yeah. Look like.
I'm done with everything. Damn.
God damn.
Rough around here.
Hey, man. You okay?
Yeah, man. I just too much pressure. Too much goddamn pressure.
Too much pressure.
Too much, man. Too much is spanking here. It don't smell good. You lying, dude?
No, I don't. You gonna be alright?
Yeah, man. Yeah. So I charge $300.
The hell?
$300 for that.
300?
Yeah, $300.
$300?
Excuse me. This is all. I'm done with that. $300, man. You should have had it, man. I like the apartment.
Yeah, appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Yeah, 300.
Yeah. Okay. Give me just a second. Let me see.
Yeah. Some money right there.
Oh.
300, man. But I can't count very well.
Okay. All right. There you go, sir.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
You a nice day, man.
You too, man. You too.
One thing I'm gonna tell you something I learned about plumbing.
What's that?
once the doo-doo drop, there's nothing else can stop you from getting it, my dog.
Okay.
When I'm leaving out the house, I'd like to make a little song.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.